Hello everyone and happy Wednesday. We're coming at you again on Wednesday again. Sarah here.
And Lisa.
We're with the marketing team here at Park City Credit Union if you're just joining us. So, Memorial Day weekend is coming up, and to start out I just want to say too, make sure you're having a safe and happy holiday, but remember the real meaning behind it and what we're celebrating or remembering. So we do have some special hours for Memorial Day. So Lisa, tell us, what are our special hours?
Yeah, so this year for Memorial Day weekend, we are going to be closed on Saturday, May 28th, as well as Monday, May 30th. You notice this year we're closing the Saturday before Memorial Day. Our staff has been working incredibly hard, and we really wanted to give them more time with their families this weekend. So just a reminder, we'll be closed this Saturday, May 28th, and Monday, May 30th. And if you haven't used our online banking or mobile app before, it's be a great time to learn those things. And I know we were all new with mobile banking or online banking at some point. So if you're if you're feeling like embarrassed that you don't know how to use that, or just want to get some more information, what we'll do is we can leave some video tutorials down below. And next time you're at a branch, feel free to let our staff know if you want to get signed up with online banking and mobile banking. We'd be really happy to help you and walk you through those steps.
Yeah, and you still got time to stop in and get some questions answered that you might have. So I'm glad we're bringing it to you a little early so you have time to prepare. But yeah, we're thankful that the credit union is nice enough to let us have a long weekend with our family, as much deserving. So hopefully the weather cooperates and we can be outside enjoying the weather. But yeah, so last week we came at you live at our WDEZ stop, and I get a little rambly sometimes, I think, when we're on location maybe. So I wanted to come at you again to really tell you what our WDEZ stops are and what it entails. So listen up here. Are you a country fan? Do you listen to country music? You love listening to WDEZ? Well, then this is where you want to be, is at our stops. And we've got 3 more stops coming up, and of course I didn't write the dates down, but we'll put them below in the comments or whatever. But that way you don't have to always remember what I say anyway. But you come to one of our stops. This week it is in Minocqua. Tomorrow, again, it's from noon to 1. We'll be there with WDEZ, and you can come in, and we only give away a certain amount, so you have to be there early to make sure you get a t-shirt. But you get one of these awesome t-shirts, neon yellow, so that's why they're called the Neon Tee Stops. And then you wear them, and you wear them at your 44th Annual Holiday Country Fest, your Wisconsin Valley Fair, any kind of country music event that you're going to in the Wisconsin area. Make sure you're wearing them, and if WDEZ sees you there, because they'll be there, they're country music stations. They're going to be at every country station event. But if they see you wearing it, you might get treated to some VIP treatment. You might be able to meet your favorite country singer. You might get a ticket upgrade. You might get some prizes, whoever, whatever it might be. But, wear these loud and proud, because, it's kind of fun to be bright and stand out a little too.
It's a very bright neon color, so they shouldn't miss you if you're at the event wearing this.
Exactly, and there's only a limited amount being handed out, so it's not like the whole crowd's going to be yellow. I would think not. At these events, I think there's quite a few people there, and they've limited it to the few people. But I believe the following week, then we are in Tomahawk.
Yes, I believe so.
And then Merrill the week after that. But like I said, we'll put the dates below so you guys have that for your reference if you can't make it. But it is noon to 1 at every stop. This week, though, it is on Thursday, because we know that you guys want to probably get out of Dodge and get to your destinations on maybe Friday already. So we're coming at you on Thursday, but otherwise it's Friday the following 2 weeks. But again, we're just having fun with WDEZ and hanging out with them. So again, there's not much you have to do. Just stop in, and hopefully you get a t-shirt. So it's kind of fun. But yeah, so again, remind everyone what our hours are for this weekend, Memorial Day weekend.
So again, we're going to be closed this Saturday, May 28th, and also Monday, May 30th, and we'll be back open Tuesday at our normal hours.
Yep. So with that, everyone, again, have a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend, and maybe if we're live tomorrow, with our WDEZ stop. We'll remind you to come in and stop on in our Minocqua location. But otherwise, yeah, enjoy your weekend if we don't see you till next Wednesday.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
bye, guys.
Bye.